During World War II, the German Wehrmacht deployed a wide range of vehicles, from battle tanks and artillery to specialized machines and logistics trucks. Each vehicle played a vital role. In this documentary, we explore every significant vehicle that shaped the battlefield. The Panzer IV was the backbone of German armored divisions. It was reliable, versatile, and served on every front from Normandy to the Eastern Front. Tiger I, one of the most feared heavy tanks, combined thick armor with a powerful 88mm gun. It dominated most Allied tanks and inspired fear on the battlefield. King Tiger, or Tiger II, was the ultimate heavy tank. With unmatched armor and firepower, it was almost unstoppable in combat. Stug III was the most produced German tank destroyer. It supported infantry and excelled at eliminating enemy tanks. The Panther, built on the Panther chassis, combined mobility with a lethal 88mm gun. It was a formidable threat to any Allied armor. Wespe was a light, self-propelled artillery piece, providing quick support to advancing troops. Hummel, a heavy howitzer mounted on a tracked chassis, delivered long-range destructive fire. Wirbelwind, equipped with a quad cannon, defended against low-flying aircraft. Its rotating turret created a deadly whirlwind of bullets. Hanomag half-track transported infantry efficiently while providing armor protection. The Schwimmwagen was amphibious, capable of crossing rivers and rough terrain alike. Opel Blitz, the primary supply truck, transported equipment, supplies, and personnel across the front lines. Karl Gerät, a massive siege mortar, destroyed fortified positions with devastating effect. Goliath, a small remote-controlled tracked mine, delivered explosives to enemy targets while keeping soldiers safe. SED.KFZ.251 half-tracks served as armored personnel carriers and mobile command vehicles. Maltier half-tracks converted trucks for rough terrain transport. Flak Panzer units provided mobile anti-aircraft protection, crucial for armored column defense. Scenes. From battle tanks to artillery, from logistics trucks to specialized vehicles, the German military relied on a diverse fleet. Each vehicle had a specific role, supporting both offensive and defensive operations. Together, they formed a highly effective and coordinated fighting force. These vehicles, in all their forms and functions, were key to Germany's military strategy during World War II. Understanding them gives insight into the scale and complexity of the conflict. Like, share, and subscribe for more military history documentaries.